Woo-wee! It's been a wild ride. 2020 has been the craziest year that I've seen in my more than 30 years on this earth. I've never seen anything like it. We had the pandemic and now we're in the middle of a contested election. And to top it all off, the stock market and the housing market are approaching all-time highs. Those two things just don't go together. It's like two square pegs trying to mesh. It just doesn't work. So that has me looking to change up some of my investing strategies and has me looking at precious metals. The central banks are buying gold. What does that tell you? The central bank of all central banks, the Bank of International Settlements, just upgraded gold to a tier 1 investment. Goldman Sachs just slapped a $2,300 per ounce price target on gold for the year 2021. So they are saying that they see gold increasing in value by more than 20% in just the next few months. Also, Wells Fargo agrees with that $2,300 price target, so we have some of the biggest central banks in the world buying gold. We also have big analysts, reputable analysts, saying that gold is undervalued. Also, Paul Tudor Jones, one of the biggest, most famous investors of all time, calls gold his favorite trade right now. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a gold mining penny stock. We're going to be doing a deep dive into this penny stock, looking at the fundamentals, looking at the technicals, and breaking down the stock. This is a company, this is a stock that Eric Sprott, a self-made billionaire, owns 14% of. So we have big time investors buying into this gold mining penny stock. So let's take a look at it. And as always, let's secure that bag by making smart investments and sound trades. Let's get it. All right, all my trader and investor homies, let's talk about this gold mining penny stock. But before we get started, do me one big favor and like the button. That's right, like the button, go down there and just start clicking all the buttons. And if you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, baby! Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get alerted every time we post a video. We are posting a video every single day talking about the hottest stocks in the market, so consider subscribing. All right, let's break down this gold mining penny stock. The company that we're going to be talking about today is Great Thunder Gold Corp. This is a gold mining penny stock. The market cap is around $18 million, and a big time famous investor, Eric Sprott, owns about 15% of the company. Just in the last couple years, Great Thunder Gold Mining is up almost 2,000% because of success that other mining companies have had in the region. We can see that the stock is up from under 10 cents a share and is currently trading up around 65 cents a share, more than a 1,000% increase in just over a year. That is the kind of potential that these gold mining penny stocks bring. Drilling and mining for gold, and if you're successful, that's what can happen. You can have a stock chart that looks like the one we just saw, an increase of thousands of percent like that. These mining companies have a lot of potential, especially these small penny stock gold mining companies. They do carry risk, as investing always carries risk, but they bring with them a lot of potential. How about Kirkland Gold? Kirkland Gold has been one of the most talked about junior gold mining companies in the last decade because of their huge discovery, and they're active in the region. And Eric Sprott, remember that name, Eric Sprott, who is invested in Great Thunder, was also invested in Kirkland when they made that huge discovery. And guess what? Kirkland Gold is active in the same region that Great Thunder is currently looking to mine in. Great Thunder is following all of the press releases of the companies mining in the area, and they're so-called piggybacking off these companies. Why do all the hard work when you can let these other companies do all the hard work, do the exploration, and then they would come out with a PR saying they have a find in a certain area? Great Thunder is looking to swoop in and piggyback off those PRs. Let's talk about Great Thunder's Northbound property in Quebec, Canada. Their Northbound property is adjacent to the Fenelon Gold Project of Wallbridge Resources. Recently, Wallbridge has been releasing high-grade drill results. These results are trending upwards towards Great Thunder's gold claims. So a company that is active in the region, let's just say, for example, they're up here, they are coming out saying they have found this gold in the ground, and it's trending toward Great Thunder's claim. That is a really good look for this Northbound project. So currently they have 5 drill rigs on site. 4 of those are focused on expanding the footprint of the Finland Gold system. So right now, Great Thunder Gold is called a grassroots explorer company because they currently don't have any gold in possession. So if they can do the mining, prove that there's gold in these projects, you do the math, there is potential there. So I like to look at these gold mining companies that have they're getting their foot on the ground, they're doing the work, they're doing the exploration, because they have higher upside potential versus a company that's already extremely established. This is the Detour Lake District in Quebec, Canada. So we have some huge players in the region: Wallbridge, Detour Gold, Kirkland Lake Gold, Balmore Resources. So we have some big players in the area where Great Thunder is just starting to get their footprint on the ground and start the drilling process. I'm here on Forbes.com. We're looking at Eric Sprott. According to Forbes, he is almost the 1,000th richest dude in the world. He is a precious metals fanatic. Eric Sprott has recently claimed to hold 90% of his assets outside of Sprott Inc. shares in gold and silver. This is the dude that owns almost 15%, about 14% of Great Thunder Gold. So we have big time precious metal investors like Eric Sprott coming into Great Thunder, taking a position. In late October, Great Thunder came out and outlined its phase 1 drilling program in the Finland Gold Camp. So on October 19th, they came out and said that they are pleased to provide an update on its inaugural exploration activities of the Finland Gold Camp of Quebec. The company completed airborne geophysics surveys on its Northbound and Southern Star projects. The technical team has spent some time on site to survey the projects in anticipation of its maiden drill program. This is what I'm talking about. This is a company, a grassroots company at ground level, hasn't stuck a drill in the ground yet, but they are in a region where a lot of big players are, where a lot of big discoveries have been found. So this is a company that has a lot of potential, and we're getting a look at them at ground level. So they came out and said diamond drill targets have been selected utilizing the final interpretations of the airborne survey, along with coupling all known mineral occurrences and in-field information gathered. So they sent an airplane up, or a helicopter, did an airborne survey, and then they're gathering the information and mapping it out with all other known mineral finds in the area, and doing a map and figuring out where they want to drill, where they want to do the exploration. Here we have a map of the area, and we can see that this area right here, this C area, and get a different color so we can see this C area right here. This is a region that's never been drilled, and they say this is going to be the target for their maiden drilling program. So this is virgin ground right here in this area. All right, let's take a quick look at the chart real quick before we wrap this up. The chart is a tasty looking chart. I love charts that look like this. You get a move up, you get a pull back into support, then you get the next wave up, pull back into support, next wave up, pull back into support, and right now we're pulling back into support on the weekly chart. So we do have support around the 50-cent area, and then if all things continued, the next leg up would put us towards 90 cents or $1 per share. I love looking at charts like this. This is a good looking chart. All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up. Hope you guys got something from this video. If you did, hit that like button for me. If you're not yet a subscriber, what in the world are you waiting on? Also, if you're looking for a new broker, check out the link in the description. We're partnered with Webull, the best broker out there. If you're looking for a broker, if you click the link in the description, deposit $100 or more, you will get 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600 from Webull. All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.